Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Meta AI app. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Firstly, so you have to go over to your Apple Store or Play Store, whichever one you are using. So you have to go over to the search area and searching Meta AI, and it will appear there right away. Look at it over here. So this app over here, with this app here you can generate photos and pictures and many other things. So what you have to do is for you to go over to get and to start downloading straight to your phone. So let me use my face ID on it, and as you can see, it's downloading. So it's done. So what you have to do is for you to go over to open. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.